interrupted with the Gameoverlayrenderer64.dll blocking your software workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. This DLL file is the 64-bit Steam game overlay library. It renders the Steam interface, friend list, and notifications directly over your game window, allowing for social interaction during gameplay. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. The Gameoverlayrenderer64.dll is bundled directly with Valve Steam rather than being a standard Windows system file. Reinstalling the latest version of Valve Steam is the most reliable way to restore this specific dependency safely. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize and unregistered the Gameoverlayrenderer64 component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Always prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of the Gameoverlayrenderer64.dll. Downloading individual DLLs from third-party sites is a common way for hackers to inject spyware and ransomware directly into your operating system. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. Review guidance on library management and system stability by accessing the repair-related resource link below for the Gameoverlayrenderer64. If you've regained access to Valve Steam thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.